The DJI 360 has clearly transitioned from vague speculation into what now looks like a fully realized next-generation aerial imaging platform, supported by a growing collection of independent signals that strongly suggest the drone is nearing production readiness rather than remaining a conceptual prototype. As mounting evidence including leaked retail packaging, regulatory filings, refined industrial design renders, and supply chain chatter all point toward DJI adapting its advanced Osmo 360 imaging technology into a compact yet powerful FPV-style drone built specifically for stabilized spherical video capture, immersive content creation, and next-level cinematic flight control, marking a strategic expansion rather than a replacement for existing FPV models like the Avata 2. With pricing expectations hovering between $999 and $1,200 for a Fly More style bundle that places the R360 squarely within DJI's premium creator ecosystem alongside professional imaging tools instead of entry-level drones, signaling a focus on filmmakers, YouTubers, VR creators, and action sports videographers who want full creative freedom in post-production without sacrificing real-time flight precision. At the heart of this drone is a rumored dual-lens 360-degree camera system built around unusually large 1/1.1-inch sensors, a specification rarely seen in compact aerial platforms, enabling higher-resolution spherical video, superior dynamic range, cleaner low-light performance, and improved color depth that aligns more closely with dedicated Osmo 360 cameras than action camera-based drone solutions. While leaked engineering details suggest DJI is implementing a physical rotating gimbal mechanism rather than relying solely on digital reframing, allowing the camera module to mechanically transition between full 360 capture and a forward-facing FPV view to maintain low latency, high responsiveness, and uncompromised image quality during aggressive maneuvers, making it possible for pilots to focus entirely on flying while selecting framing, angles, and perspectives later during editing. Safety and situational awareness also appear to be a major leap forward, with reports pointing toward LiDAR-based omnidirectional obstacle sensing that creates a continuous 360-degree detection field around the aircraft, a critical feature for a drone designed to film in all directions simultaneously, enhancing spatial awareness without forcing automated flight behavior and preserving manual FPV control, which could redefine how immersive drone footage is safely captured in complex environments such as forests, urban structures, indoor spaces, and tight cinematic flight paths. Connectivity is expected to rely on OCUSYNC 4.0 transmission technology with a rumored maximum range of up to 20 kilometers under ideal conditions, while a larger 38 to 67 watt-hour battery, estimated to be roughly 22% bigger than the Avata 2's power cell, could push flight times closer to 25 minutes, aided by a redesigned darker airframe, improved thermal management, a rear-shifted battery layout for better balance, and enhanced cooling efficiency to sustain longer recording sessions and stable performance during high bitrate video capture. If launched as anticipated, the DJI 360 could fundamentally change FPV workflows by blending immersive 360-degree aerial video, mechanical stabilization, intelligent obstacle sensing, and professional-grade imaging into a single platform that allows creators to prioritize flight creativity first and editorial decisions later, while at the same time DJI's broader imaging ecosystem continues to evolve, as the Osmo Pocket lineup, long regarded as a benchmark for handheld stabilized cameras, remains hugely influential among content creators, with the Osmo Pocket 3 still widely used thanks to its 1-inch sensor, 4K recording, advanced autofocus, and AI subject tracking, and now fresh leaks surrounding the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 suggest the company is preparing not one but two distinct prototypes, likely representing a standard model and a more advanced Pro variant, both spotted in the wild without branding and photographed alongside the Pocket 3 for scale, reinforcing their authenticity as early test units rather than final retail products. One of these prototypes reportedly features a long-rumored dual-lens configuration with a noticeably larger and heavier camera head, indicating more complex optical hardware. stronger stabilization, and potentially expanded computational imaging capabilities aimed at advanced users, while the second prototype appears closer to the classic pocket form factor but with a visibly larger single lens module, redesigned gimbal structure, and the addition of physical control buttons beneath the display for faster manual operation, suggesting DJI is experimenting heavily with ergonomics, balance, and usability alongside sensor upgrades, and a previously leaked Barcelona shoot image appears to align closely with this single lens version, lending further credibility to the leak timeline. As of late 2026, DJI has made no official announcements regarding the Osmo Pocket 4, but the increasing frequency of leaks, testing sightings, and accessory appearances strongly point toward an early 2026 reveal window, especially with reports of a new compact wireless remote accessory designed to work seamlessly with the Pocket 4 as well as other DJI action and 360-degree cameras, functioning as a portable control device rather than a camera itself. At the same time, confusion surrounding a so-called DJI ban in the United States has intensified across social media, fueling panic and misinformation, yet the reality is far less dramatic, as DJI products are not banned, remain fully legal to buy and use, and continue operating normally without any shutdowns, forced deactivations, or restrictions, with the concern stemming instead from a procedural clause in the National Defense Authorization Act for 2026 that requires a security review of DJI by the U.S. National Security Agency by 2026. With the unusual caveat that failure to complete the audit could trigger an automatic ban by default rather than by evidence of wrongdoing. A scenario that has raised alarm because no public confirmation exists that the review has even begun. Despite claims of potential data security risks, no verified evidence has ever shown DJI drones secretly transmitting sensitive data. An leaked Pentagon report previously found no malicious code in DJI Government Edition devices, while DJI itself has continued strengthening privacy protections through features like local data mode, offline operation, AES 256 encrypted links, optional cloud syncing, enterprise-level controls, and the discontinuation of automatic log syncing in the US, repeatedly stating its willingness to undergo a transparent audit to finally put years of speculation to rest, and with industry insiders hinting that DJI has major product launches planned early 2026, including the RR360, Osmo Pocket 4, and potentially other flagship imaging tools. Pricing is expected to remain firmly in the premium segment, possibly ranging from $1,400 to $1,600 for certain base kits, underscoring DJI's continued focus on high-performance creator gear, advanced stabilization systems, next-generation sensors, and immersive video technology that aims to redefine how aerial, handheld, and 360-degree content is captured, edited, and shared across YouTube, VR platforms, and professional media workflows.